If you need to transfer ownership of a Discord server, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and I'll also explain what to double check before you confirm the transfer so you can do it safely. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord web in your browser and sign into the account that currently owns the server. You can also use the desktop app, but for this tutorial I'm showing the web version because it's easy to follow and works the same way for most users. Once you're logged in, open the server that you want to transfer. Now look at the top left corner of Discord and click the server name. This opens the server menu with all of your management options. From here, click Server Settings. This is where Discord keeps the admin tools for roles, moderation, channels, and member access. Inside server settings, go to the members section. This page shows everyone currently in your server. Take a moment to find the exact person you want to transfer ownership to. Make sure it's the right account, especially if your server has a lot of members with similar names. Once you've found the person, click the three dots next to their name. A small menu will appear with several actions you can take. From that menu, click Transfer Ownership. Discord is going to make you confirm this carefully because ownership changes are permanent unless the new owner transfers it back later. If Discord asks for your password, enter it to verify that you really want to complete the transfer. This is a security step, so don't skip it. After that, click Confirm Transfer. As soon as you do this, the selected member becomes the new owner of the server. Before you finish, it's a good idea to think through the change one more time. The new owner will have full control over server settings, permissions, integrations, moderation tools, and ownership privileges. So if you're transferring a community, gaming server, school server, or business server, make sure the person you choose is someone you trust to manage it properly. And that's it. Your Discord server ownership has now been transferred successfully. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Discord how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.